how to configure the BGP Community No Export. So when you configure this, the router will not advertise the route to eBGP peers, only to iBGP peers, or in other words, keep this route within an AS. Um, this is basically almost the same with no advertise. The difference is this here. So instead of saying no advertise, I'm saying no export. And of course, I renamed the route map to no export instead of no advertise. So let me go to this topology. So as the name suggests, um, when R1 is advertises this route to R2, R2 will only advertise it to IBGP, its IBGP peers. So in this case, R4, but not to eBGP peer, in this case R3. So let us check first if R2, R4, and R3 are learning this route from R1. So the command to do that is basically show IPBGP, and I can just go to R2. Yeah, it's learning that route or prefix. R3, R3 as well, and R4. So let me perform the configuration. I'm just going to copy and paste this and apply the route map to the neighbor, in this case R2. And you see here that from R2 there's no community tag, but if I do, let me clear the BGP session. Now we see the community tag no export, and it says here that not advertised to eBGP peer. So that would be, like I said earlier, R3. So let me go to R3 and see if we can still learn that route. Let me do that command again. No. Not advertised to any peer. Okay. That's weird that I still see it. Okay, there you go. I don't see it anymore. It took some time to take effect on R3, but on R4 we should still see it because R4 is again IBGP peer with R2. But of course we don't see the community tag here because R2 is not sending it to R4. You can see here. So yeah, that's how you can configure the BGP Community No Export. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching.